Moonfruit Website Builder Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Moonfruit Website Builder is a versatile platform designed for individuals and small businesses seeking a simple yet effective tool to create websites without technical expertise. Its drag-and-drop interface allows users to build visually appealing sites quickly, even if they lack coding skills. Features include customizable templates, responsive design for mobile and desktop, integrated SEO tools, and the ability to add widgets like forms, galleries, and social media links. The builder also supports basic e-commerce capabilities, making it ideal for small-scale online stores. Moonfruit is aimed at freelancers, entrepreneurs, and small businesses needing straightforward website solutions. One of its strengths is its user-friendly interface. Beginners can easily navigate the platform, while the pre-designed templates save time and effort. The integrated SEO tools help improve site visibility, and the responsive design ensures a seamless experience across devices. Another strong point is the customer support, which includes helpful resources and guides for troubleshooting. However, Moonfruit has its weaknesses. The platform's customization options are limited compared to more advanced builders like Wix or Squarespace, which may frustrate users seeking high design flexibility. Its e-commerce features are also basic, lacking the advanced tools necessary for scaling an online store. Additionally, Moonfruit's overall performance has been criticized for being outdated in some areas, such as template designs and editing speed. In summary, Moonfruit is a solid choice for those who want a quick, simple website solution without delving into the complexities of advanced builders. It's best suited for personal projects, portfolios, and small business websites that prioritize ease of use over extensive customization. However, for users with more ambitious goals or complex needs, other platforms may provide better functionality and scalability.